I'm Wayne Boyette, the General Manager for America's Home Place in Dothan, Alabama. As you can see, we are currently expanding our showroom space. This is in an effort to help our customers to visualize more of what kind of products and features we put into our beautiful homes. One of the things I've been asked to talk about is why do we make the building process so easy for our customers, and why would our customers say that it is that easy? One thing I would say is our experience. America's Home Place has been in business since 1972. Over that time period, we average building 800 to 1,000 homes per year. We have 45 offices scattered over the Southeast, and each one of those offices are staffed with a team of seasoned professionals. You could say, in short, that America's Home Place has the building process figured out. Our customers can lean on that experience to make this an easy process for them. Also, it's the convenience. When you come into one of our showrooms, you have everything at your disposal. We have a seasoned sales associate that will help you with the color selection. All of the samples are right there at your disposal, so you can match flooring with granite, you can match paint colors, door styles, all of this in an effort to make sure the end result is what you were looking for. Again, I'm Wayne Boyette, General Manager, America's Home Place.